Hello everyone, today I will show you how to run a statement of cash flows in QuickBooks. First, go to Reports. From there, click on Standard Reports. Here you can see Statement of Cash Flows, so I'm clicking on it. Now you'll see an interface like this. From this report, you can also set the calendar period to check your company statement of cash flows for a specific time. For example, here I'm selecting the period from the 1st of June 2023 to the 31st of May 2024. Once I set the dates, just click on Run Report, and this is the statement of cash flows for 1 year. Now, if you look at the top bar, you'll see a print icon. By clicking on it, you can send this report via email, save it as a PDF, and print it. And right next to the print icon, there's another export option. From here, you can export your business data into Excel PDF. Also, you can add this cash flow statement to management reports. This was today's tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.